What's going on, everyone? Nick Corona here, and today I got two awesome short, about minute and a half long videos we're gonna check out this evening. The first of which is an eagle attack. Now, I haven't seen these videos myself yet. I just sort of saw the thumbnail, the title, and had to save it, to share with you guys. So this will be my first time seeing it, and this one is something I honestly have always been afraid of because I'm around birds and stuff, but if I see an eagle, I definitely normally try and get out of the sky or away from it because I just personally think eagles are awesome and I like my drone in one piece. So yeah, this one is a minute 40 seconds long. Let's go ahead and check it out here together. This is beautiful. This actually immediately reminds me of flying in Flagstaff. Northern Arizona in the wintertime is very, very similar to this. There's just snow everywhere, and there's bald eagles and other types of eagles in this area too that you completely want to look out for. And see, in this situation, there's no way you're even seeing that eagle on your tiny screen while you're flying. So if you didn't see it in person, I don't think that moment right there was quite enough to see it. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how fast it caught up to him. That eagle was so far away. So to me, this looks, I can't believe it caught up. It was so low when you saw it. And the footage and sound, I could be wrong, but this sounds like this drone, and it looks like it. It looks like the DJI FPV. Ha, emergency brake button. So it is. I could just tell because it's in sport mode when you do a dive. That's just sort of how it sounds and what it looks like. And he said back to manual mode. Okay. Well, then he was in manual mode with, the restrictions still on, like in my last video. I can just sort of tell this is the FPV footage. And the sport mode is honestly awesome. I, have been lazy and using that quite a bit. Wow, this dude is so lucky. So he got attacked, got a super sick shot, and didn't even crash. That's rare. I'm not gonna lie. One of the reasons I picked this video is because I was pretty sure that his drone was gonna be totaled, beat up bad. Like, to get grabbed by a bird like that and not crash, I mean, that's crazy. I gotta see that one more time. Notice that beginning part of how far away that bird was. I'm just going to go back to the moment where he points it out because I wonder if that's the same bird. What do you guys think? So let's see how far in the video we are. 18 seconds, 20 seconds, 21, 23 seconds. And it looks like that attack happens 20 seconds later. I mean, wow, that bird must have saw that drone and just ripped up to him thinking he was food, or there was two of them. So either way, super cool video. Thank you for sharing. I'm super glad that the bird didn't get hurt and the drone didn't get hurt. That video was a complete win. Now, the next video is another one I haven't seen, and the title is Epic Drone Crash into Iceland Volcano Eruption. So between your thumbnail and your title, really good clickbait. I mean, I'm assuming I'm gonna see a drone flying near a volcano and then it goes black at some point. I don't know. So let's go ahead and get this one rolling. So Iceland, super crazy place to ever get to be. Wow, this one is straight into it, just right over the hot lava. Wow, it is flowing. I just can't even imagine being there. All right, this is already impressive. You're flying right through the heat of it. You're in all that steam. Oh my God, just sacrificing a drone. Oh, sick transition. Wow, so that was literally just like, forget this drone. Let me make sure my streaming capabilities are really good and I will keep the best cached version that I can get. Honestly, I'm really surprised it made it as far as it did. I'll tell you what I would have expected is this to look like this here, and then all that heat starts getting to it, and then it gets a little glitchy, and then just goes black. But I feel like It actually got hit with a piece of lava. Right here. I can't believe that this is still, I wonder if this is a GoPro. Look at that. You literally see the pieces come into it. That's honestly really cool. That was way more than I expected. Wow, that was an incredible drone shot. I have to go back for a sec, guys. Look at that. Just going over a moving piece like that. I can't even imagine. You know, the toughest thing when you're around things this incredible is like just how to even shoot it. Oh man, this FPV shot is just amazing. Wow, look at all the cool videos that pop up. I apparently need to do some Iceland volcano binge watching. I didn't realize there's this many drone videos of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Those were 2 videos that had turned out to be way cooler and different than I expected. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more fun and cool videos. I definitely comb through them on a regular basis. Feel free to send them to me, whatever you like. Till next time, thank you so much for watching. Peace.